How to close your Scotiabank account. In order to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Scotiabank. Once you're in this page, enter your login credential as in username or your card number. Once you have entered, click on Continue. Now enter the password in this section. Once you have entered the password, click on Continue. Once you have been logged into your account, now what you want to do is head over to More at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then head over to Manage. In this page at the bottom of the screen, you should see the option to close your account. Click on Close. You need to state the reason why you want to close your account. Once you have provided the reason, tap on Confirm, and within next 24 hours, your account will be deleted or closed successfully. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.